What technology powers Times Square's iconic billboards? Imagine standing in the middle of one of the busiest places in the world, surrounded by giant screens flashing bright images and videos. Ever wonder how these massive displays stay so vivid and sharp? Well, the secret lies in advanced light-emitting diode technology. These LED screens are made up of thousands of tiny diodes that emit bright, colorful light. They are designed to be visible even in direct sunlight and harsh weather conditions, making sure the advertisements always pop. The screens are built in large panels that come together to create high-resolution displays. These displays can show everything from static images to full-motion videos with stunning clarity. They are so detailed that you can see fine text and intricate graphics clearly from far away. The billboards use digital content management systems. These systems let advertisers upload new content, schedule when it appears, and control what is shown from anywhere. This means ads can be changed instantly without physically replacing anything. The updates happen through wireless or internet connections, allowing real-time control. Some of the most famous billboards also include special visual effects like three-dimensional animations and augmented reality. These tricks make the images seem to pop out or move in ways that catch your. Even though they look three-dimensional, these effects are created with high-resolution LED screens and clever animation techniques. The largest screens, like those on the Nasdaq Tower or the Times Square Spectacular, have millions of pixels. This creates a detailed, immersive experience that grabs your attention. These digital displays can also support interactive features like motion-based games, live streaming, and social media feeds. All of this technology makes Times Square a hub of innovation in outdoor advertising. The brightness, size, and ability to change content instantly make these billboards some of the most impressive in the world. So next time you visit, take a moment to appreciate the incredible tech behind those dazzling displays.